We will see how to do connections of mod 16 counter using IC 7490. So as you can see, first we are going to implement this mod 6 counter using the mod 10 counter, because IC 7490 is the mod 10 counter IC. So you can see mod 6 counter means it can count from 0 to 5. So after 5, that means for 6 it should be reset. So what we'll do, the binary number for 6 is 0110. So we'll do QB and QC, that is this 11 input to the reset pin through the AND gate, so that for 6 it will be reset. Okay, so it can count from only 0 to 6. So you can see here reset pins 2 and 3, 6, 7 are the set inputs. These are the reset inputs 2 and 3. Then 14 is the clock, 5 to the VCC, and 12, 9, 8, 11 are the output pins. So this is the actually circuit diagram for the mod 6 counter using IC 7490. Now we will see the connection on the digital IC trainer kit. So this is the digital IC trainer kit. I have already put the ICs in the socket, that is 7490 and 7408. Now you can see here 5 number for VCC. So just this 5 connected to the VCC. Now pin number 14 is for clock, so take the pin number 14. So here you can see it is 14 pin IC 7490 is 14 pointer for 7, and then 8, 9, 10 up to 14. So 14 pin is connected to the clock signal. Here is the clock signal. Now we have to connect pin number 12. This is the pin number 12 as a QA. Then pin number 9 is QB, pin number 9. This is 8, 9. 9 is QB. Then pin number 8 is QC. This is pin number 8, which is QC here, connected to the output section. Now pin number 11, that is 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 is connected as a output pin, that is QD. So these are our QA, QB, QC, QD, correct? So these are the now remaining connections, that is 10, 6, 7 are ground. So 8, 9, 10, 10 is to the connected to the ground. Then again 6 is connected to the ground, and pin number 7 is connected to the ground again here. So 10, 6, 7 ground. Now we are going to do this QB, QC, that is pin number 9, 8 connected to the 1, 2 of 7408. So pin number 9 is connected to the pin number 2. So this is pin number 2 of 7408 connected to the 9, that is 8 and 9. Now connect pin number 8 to the pin number 1 of the 7408. This is pin number 1 of the 7408 is connected to the pin number 8. So this is our 7 and this is 8. So now, and the output of the 7408, that is pin number 3 is connected to the 2, 3. So we are going to short the 2 and 3, and pin number 3 of the second IC, that is AND gate IC, is connected to the right. So these are our connection. Again one more connection is remaining. One is connected to the 12 number. So here pin number 1 of the 7490 is connected to the pin number 12 of the 7490. So pin number 12. Okay, now we are going to see the outputs. So now you can see initially it is 0, 0 and it is mod 6 counter. So when we apply the clock pulse, it will count up to the 5. Okay, so I will give the clock pulse and you can see the outputs. So first clock pulse, one more thing that is left or remaining, that is we have to do ground and VCC connection of the 7408. So 7408 is a 14 pin IC, so 7 number is for ground and the 14 number is a 14 number of the second IC is for VCC. So connections are over. Now just switch on the kit and now we'll see the output. You can see here at the output, first it is 000. After giving clock pulse, it should count from 0 to 5 because it is a mod 6 counter. So we will give the clock pulse from here. You can see I am giving clock pulse. See the output of the mod 6 counter. So we'll give from here the clock pulse and it should count from 0 to 5. So I am giving clock that is 1 2 3 4 and reset. Sorry, 5. 1 2 3 4 5 and reset. That means it is counting from 0 to 5 and then reset. This is all about the mod 6 counter. I hope you understood the practical. See the output of the mod 9 counter using IC 7490. As we have just seen the mod 6 counter using IC 7490, that means we have connected, what is the number 60110. So we have connected QB QC to the AND gate and then to the reset pin. For mod 9, what is the number of binary number 91001. So we have to connect QB and QD to the AND gate. So we just change the connections. All connections are same. Then connect QA. Then connect QA, that is pin number 12, to the AND gate of 1 and pin number 11 to the AND gate. So pin number 12. So here is the pin number 12. Connect it to the 1 and pin number, you can see here pin number 11, that is here connected to the AND gate, and we will just see the outputs. Now first it is 0, so it should count from 0 to 8. So you can see 0, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 and then reset. So it is counting from 0 to 8. That means it is a mod 9 counter. We just connect the QA and QD to the AND gate and output of the AND gate is to the reset input. Thank you so much.